Alrighty guys, Daryl here doing another Riddler 99 box break. This time I'm doing a box of 2011-2012 Upper Deck SP Authentic that ended last night. That'll be February the 27th between 7:15 a.m. and 7:45 a.m. No, p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sorry about that. The Winnipeg Jets were the last team that ended. They ended at 19:44, which is 7:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. My brain is not catching up to my mouth yet, or vice versa. Current time is 10:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 28th. I'm going to do this, get it ready, put it up to YouTube, and get ready to release it as soon as all the teams are paid for. They are not paid for at the moment. There are a few people outstanding. So, let's get going. Any 163-211-436, you can see it at the bottom of the screen there. If you go 1080p on YouTube, full screen. Give it 1 second here, and it should firm up. 163-211-436 upside down, but you should be able to make that out, no problem. It is, of course, a sealed box of SP Authentic. Wouldn't do it any other way. I want to thank everybody for participating in this break and wish everybody good luck. I also wanted to mention I do have off eBay breaks every Sunday, and this Sunday will be no exception. That'll be March the 3rd. I have 3 multi-box breaks if you're interested in taking part in them. 2 of them are random teams. One of them is a team draft format. There's a 3-box mini break, there's a 6-box all Panini break, and there is a 7-box high-end break. So you can go to my website, Riddler99.com, if you're interested. Go to the Open Breaks tab, and you'll see them right there if you want to get involved. For SP Authentic, just try to keep myself on cam there. For SP Authentic, base cards do not ship. But everything else does, including the rookie extension. So let's get going. I might not have much SP Authentic left anymore, so you guys know. Osgood, Ovechkin, Pavlik, Kincaid get shipped for the Devils. I almost overshot them, because I am, like I said, kind of tired today. Kind of out of it. Kincaid for the Devils. Get the autofocus to firm up. Decoy and JVR. Or sorry, James Greenwood. See, like I said, my brain just is not catching up to things today. Dead pack. Myers, Kuhlman, Sagan, Kevin Marshall for the Flyers. Decoy and Jokinen. Backstrom, Sedin, Solani, Carl Klingberg for the Jets. Get shipped. We get the focus kick in. Let's see who it actually is. There you go, Carl Klingberg, Winnipeg Jets. Decoy and Chara. Halak or Matt Reed get shipped for the Flyers. Matt Reed. A Decoy, Shane Doan, and Cam Ward. Derek Roy, Patrick Sharp. We have a redemption. I'm going to put that right there. A Decoy, Jose Theodore, and Scott Gomez. Let's see who's on the redemption. Ooh, it's a hard one to see. SP Authentic, Autograph, Future Watch to $9.99. It's going to be hard for you guys to see this one, but it is Thomas Vincour for the Dallas Stars. Try to let it focus, but it's already faint enough. There we go. Thomas, you see the V in sort of the C-O-U-R. Thomas Vincour. Dallas Stars. Burns, Duchesne, Hall, Decoy, SP Essentials, Mike Richards, LA Kings, and Nick Backstrom. Ennis, Plettinen, Smith for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Pierre-Cedric Labrie, sorry. Decoy and Yapunov. Last pack of the first side. Howard, Bouwmeester, Carson McMillan for the Devils. Get shipped. Or sorry, for the Wild. Why did I say Devils? Payarvi and Mason. As I said, my brain isn't focusing, but I promise the cards will get to the proper teams. Crosby, Marlowe, Robinson, Harry Sateri for the San Jose Sharks. You guys notice I try to slow down there a little bit. We get the focus to kick in for Sateri. Harry Sateri, San Jose Sharks. A decoy, and Stephen Weiss. Keane, Gagne, Sakic, decoy, Zetterberg, and Suter. This piece does not want to come off the top there. There we go. Erickson, Green, Morrow, decoy, Luke Adam, Corey Crawford. Luongo, Rene, TJ Brennan, R6 for the Sabres. Gets shipped. A decoy, Kopitar, and Jones. Wilson, Verbata, Atkinson for the Columbus Blue Jackets gets shipped. Get the focus kick in again. Good, there we go. A decoy, Bufflin, and Hossa. Stahl, Brizgala, Berglund, decoy, SP Essentials, Jamie Benn for the Dallas Stars gets shipped. Mike Richards. My telephone. Parise, Bergeron, Anderson, Peter Holland for the Ducks. Get shipped. A decoy, and Nick Lidstrom. Last pack of the center aisle. Jordan Stahl, Danny Heatley, Hugh Jesseman for the Florida Panthers get shipped. A decoy, Brian Campbell, and Claude Giroux. Okay, Terry. Bill Ranford, PK Subban, Derek Brassard, Rookie Hall of Effects for the Chicago Blackhawks, Brandon said. Decoy, and Josh Georges. Skinner, Hall, Thomas, Rookie Hall of Effects, Gabriel Landeskog for the Avs. Decoy, and Dozy. Voracek, Brodeur, we have another redemption. Oh, wow. SP Authentic Sign of the Times triples. Auto to 25. Cannot make out the number. I believe it says Can B or something. Can 8. Or Can 3. Players Cody Hodgson, Mark Scheifele, and Ryan Nugent Hopkins. SP Sign of the Times triple. Hodgson, Scheifele, and Nugent Hopkins. So I'm going to have to figure out who Hodgson represents out of this one. So I'm going to double check that. Whoever his regular rookie card is who he's going to represent. Decoy, Varlamov, and Lundqvist out of this product. That's a big hit, guys. Shattenkirk, Rask, Le Cavalier, another Sign of the Times, Philip McRae this time for the St. Louis Blues. Decoy, and JVR. Price, Park, Kiprusoff, Decoy, Stastny, and Dustin Brown. Here, I was just saying this box is going to be empty. Miller, Setaguchi, Gretzky, Decoy, Thornton, and Perry. Thinking to myself, Jesus, be kind of quiet. Let me get some boom sauce like that. So yesterday I had a dual Stamkos. Johansson, Shanahan, Rick Nash, Future Watch non-auto variation for the Philadelphia Flyers, Marc-Andre Bourdon. Thanks, Terry. Book value on that Sign of the Times triples is $175 if anybody's interested in the video. I'll be selling it. No, I'm kidding. I'll be randomizing it in a second. Okun, Modano, Joe Colborne for the Leafs. Gets shipped. Decoy, Grabner, and Daniel Briere. So let me just double check to see who, what team Hodgson's represented in SP Authentic. So we go here. Authentic checklist for hockey. Go to the actual Upper Deck site if I can find it. 11-12 SP Authentic. We'll go to the rookies here, so it'll be the Future Watch Auto. 1 second. He is represented by the Canucks in the Future Watch Auto set, so that is who he's going to be going to, and I will do that right now on the random. So that's the other randomization I had to do earlier today. So I'm going to do Edmonton for Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. We'll do Vancouver, and we'll do Winnipeg. Alright, I'm going to randomize 5 times. Team on top wins the card. Ready, guys? Here we go. 1, Vancouver's on top after 1. 2, Winnipeg's on top after 2. 3, Winnipeg's on top after 3. 4, Edmonton's on top after 4. I'm going to hit all the menus on the way by like I usually do now. And the winner will be the Vancouver Canucks. So Vancouver wins the Sign of the Time triple. I'm going to end this video and get everything ready for shipping. Alright guys, have a good one.